Hello and welcome to Prism Prints, a channel dedicated to VR sculpting, 3D printing, and miniature painting. I'm Ben, and for this project, I'm making a ladybug in celebration of spring and warmer weather. I got this idea after scrolling through some images for inspiration, when I came across a photo of a little ladybug on a dandelion holding onto the last seed. I had to make it. For the sculpt, I kept it fairly simple. I wanted the base to look like a dandelion that had all the seeds blown off except one. The ladybug will be standing on its back 4 legs while holding the last seed with its front 2. Once I got everything modeled out, I went back to pose the scene before making it all one piece for printing. If you're interested in modeling out your own creatures and characters like this, especially now that the spring update is live, my promo code will save you a total of 35% off Shapelab. Use SL Prism when purchasing from their website, or SL Prism-A0B9F3 when purchasing on the Meta Store. All this information is in the description. I ended up printing the base separate from the ladybug with the seed. From here, it was just a matter of getting everything painted. Using the airbrush for the red shell left a very smooth and even coat. For the spots, I used a pencil to draw them on first as a guide. One thing I had to figure out, though, was how to make the white tufts of the dandelion seed. As a side note, the white tufts are called the pappus. The entire dandelion would be covered in pappi for the plural. I had to look this up and I thought it was kind of interesting. As for the sculpt, I modeled the tall stem of the seed and slightly enlarged the top. I had the idea to use paintbrush bristles for the pappus instead of trying to model and print it. Of course, I couldn't find any paintbrushes with long enough white bristles, so I made do by painting what I had. Using clear resin and UV light, I attached each bristle individually until the pappus was formed. This is such a fun little project, and I really enjoy how the model looks on display. This STL is free to download at any of the links in the pinned comment below. If you enjoy content like this, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for checking this out. Hope you have a great rest of your day, happy spring, and I'll catch you on the next one.